Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a really realistic punching, hitting sound effect. Now I like my sound effects a little bit less Hollywood and a lot more realistic. That sickening, crunching sound you get only when guys really start hitting each other. Now today's recipe for violence is 1 cabbage and some eggs and 1 raw chicken. You got your cabbage, it's just like a skull, you've got layers of skin in there. When you start pounding that thing, it gets nice and wet and squishy. The raw chicken, you got skin, you got flesh, you got bones in there. Now you're not gonna beat the crap out of this thing, you're gonna humiliate it, you gotta slap it. You got giblets, and you've got your eggs for added crunch. Bada boom.
You want a piece of me?
You want a piece of me?
You want a piece of me?
What? You want?
I will
what?
fuck you up. I'll fuck you up.
Yeah, I want a piece of you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Come on. Oh yeah.
Yeah?
And that's my recipe for a real knuckle sandwich.